After Avengers Endgame, Marvel ain't really on its track. There have been some hit and miss phases, but until now, let's talk about it from the start. After Endgame, Marvel tried to introduce multiverse and some new heroes in Phase 4, and Marvel's objective was to show the world dealing with the consequences of the blip. And they introduced multiverse concept in films like Spider-Man No Way Home, Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness, and shows like Loki, in which they beautifully explain the major and upmost concept of the multiverse and many more things. And personally, I think Loki was the best and finest work of Marvel after Endgame. In Phase 4, they introduced new heroes like Shang-Chi, Eternals, Kate Bishop, Moon Knight, Echo, She-Hulk, which focuses on diversity and street-level stories. And we can say that Phase 4 was quite good and was heading towards the main threat of multiverse. But the actual problem starts with Phase 5. In the Infinity Saga, everything builds towards Avenger Infinity War and Avengers Endgame, with Thanos as a constant threat. Marvel with Phase 5 intended to do that with Kang the Conqueror as a constant threat, building towards Avengers Kang Dynasty and Avengers Secret War. But we all know it never happened. Some of the reasons are Kang appeared inconsistently and different versions diluted his impact, and the main reason Marvel has to give up the Kang storyline because of the Jonathan Majors controversy. The actor who played Kang in 2023, he was convicted in an assault case, and immediately Marvel Studios cut ties with him and they shifted from Kang to Doctor Doom, which will be played by Robert Downey Jr. But Phase 5 was not all that bad. Some projects like Guardian of the Galaxy Volume 3, Thunderbolts, and Loki Season 2 kept us excited and restored our faith in Marvel. But majority of the project of Phase 5 were below average and trash. But Marvel learned from their mistakes and they rethink and reshape their plan for Phase 6. Phase 6 started from introducing a new team, Fantastic Four the first step, which connected science, multiverse, and most importantly, Doctor Doom. Although Fantastic Four was not very good in terms of commercial profits, but it really gave very good start to the Phase 6. Phase 6 needed a win, and we got Daredevil Born Again delivers. While the multiverse gets messy, Hell's Kitchen gets real, and the season 2 of Daredevil almost brings the quality of Netflix Daredevil. This is Marvel at its rawest, and right now it's the peak of Phase 6. After Daredevil, we will get the Punisher special presentation, and it will connect directly to Spider-Man Brand New Day, and this could be the turning point of Phase 6. And after Spider-Man Brand New Day, we will get Avengers Doomsday, the project the whole world is waiting for. We will get to see the biggest threat in MCU till now as Dr. Von Doom, played by Robert Downey Jr. This film will bring everything together for a massive crossover climax, and it will focus on incursions which will be happening in Avengers Secret War. And in between Doomsday and Secret War, we will be getting Daredevil Born Again Season 3 in March 2027, and possibly a Doctor Strange movie in summer 2027 with X-Men movies after Secret War. So yeah, it is safe to say that Marvel is cooking in Phase 6 and we are so back. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe.